Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here. If you'd like to follow, come through. My Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and literally everything is very, very girly, so come through. So today is like the most requested video ever on my channel. Like, this is always just the seasonal thing I do. This is what everyone loves. Hi, thank you. Please take an interest in my vlogs. Next, thanks. A lot of you guys really like watching my channel for my unboxings. Today I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max to unbox. Now, if y'all know me, you know I would never get a Max. My hands is too small, I cannot do it. But this is my friend's. I will be getting the new iPhone for myself soon, so that's gonna be just the iPhone 12 Pro. But so y'all are getting some content. Thank you to my friend. So I would like to start off this video saying I don't know anything. I would like to state that I don't know anything. I'm a consumer. I am not a tech god. I wish I was, but I'm not. So like, don't hate me if I don't know the gigabytes. I don't know, ma'am. Like, I'm here to unbox a product and show you how it comes and talk about my first impressions as a consumer. So now that we have that out of the way, let's get into it. This is apparently supposed to be the biggest iPhone that they've ever had, and the box is so much thinner because apparently they're not giving you like the portable, it's called the port, right?
The wall adapter.
I have a ghostwriter. My friend just brought over this. So the box is super thin because they don't give you the wall adapter anymore. Which is apparently their whole initiative with like saving the earth and like, you know, spending less gasoline traveling because it's thinner, and you know, like saving some plastic and all of that fun stuff. So that's great. Kind of sucks for anyone who just bought a new iPhone, you know, like didn't have an iPhone before then. They're kind of just assuming everyone has an iPhone. Yeah, but you know, okay, go off. So this iPhone actually comes in a couple different shades: graphite, gold, silver, and Pacific blue. The Pacific blue was so extra, but it's fine. We'll take it. For my ASMR girlies. It's my favorite part in every unboxing. So as you can see, the box is super thin, and I always love matte boxes. I'm someone who talks about like how it feels to receive something. This is so irrelevant, so unnecessary, but I just love matte boxes. I think they look so cool, and obviously they feel really nice too. So this is it. So this is in graphite. As y'all know, I would never get a color that dark. I usually go for like a lot brighter color, so I would probably get the gold, but this one's in graphite. So here it is, this little thing on the back, that's new. This is my friend's phone, so now I'm being extra cautious. I'm always like super like ridiculous, and I always drop my phone the first time, but I'm not gonna do that this time. Not for the giggles this time. But here is obviously, it always comes with this little Design by Apple stick thing. That's not a sticker. Did they not include stickers this time?
There's only one sticker.
Y'all cheaping out, and no, they're trying to save the earth. They're trying to be conscious. Thank you. So there's one sticker. I mean, honestly, like, I don't even use it. Who uses? Can you comment below if you use it? I'm curious. And then here's, you know, stuff that doesn't matter. And here is the little thing that, you know, comes to take out the SD SIM card. Not making that mistake this time. This pokes out so that you could put your SIM card in. So great, it comes with that. I do always love that it comes with that. I don't know why, but I grew up with my mom using always like a bobby pin or like a sewing needle to do it. So it's nice to have that included. And of course, here is the iPhone cord, and no wall plug, it's fine. But yeah, that's it. That's all it comes with. We love minimalism. Okay, so it's funny that it comes with something in the back like that has never been the case. The glass that they're using now is called ceramic shield. So this is the first iPhone that they ever came out with this glass. So apparently this glass is 4 times better at preventing shattering, and that is why they implemented it on this phone. Let's peel it. Oh, so it's like a sticker to make sure there's probably like no dust on the phone, so that you could put your screen protector on immediately. I'm assuming this feels very sticky. This is the screen. This is my hand in comparison. I mean, like, yeah, the Max is like, this is like the biggest phone ever. I mean, my hand isn't a comparison because it's very small, but that's why I don't get Maxes personally. Here is the iPhone and here is the back. So yeah, it has obviously the 3 cameras and it looks very like matte. Everything else, it looks really clean, and like I feel like the edges, mine feels a lot rounder and this one feels a lot more structured. That's what I'm getting. This one feels way more structured, and the glass, as you could see, the glass here, it's like reflective, like on the side, so it's like completely different than this phone. Yeah, this phone, like, it's not as like structured. Like this one looks so structured and like angular, versus this one feels more round. And so like the fingerprints are showing heavily. I am so sorry, you're just gonna have to clean that. But like it's one of those where like your fingerprint like shows heavily. I mean, get a case and then that won't be a problem anymore, but that's like the material it's made of. You could literally already see my fingerprints. So it's not glass, it's stainless steel, y'all. But yeah, it's very fingerprinty. I don't know if I like that. Like I would definitely wear a case for this. Here's like, you know, to make it silent or not. And then here are the buttons for volume, as you guys know. And down here is obviously the same port as before, so all of the ports are exactly the same. Yeah, oh my god, this is so huge. It is, I'm like looking at it and I'm like, this is so massive. So this is a new phone. It comes in very like minimalist packaging because they're trying to be better with the environment and all of that great stuff, so kudos to them. But this phone feels like just very angular to me, honestly. Okay, so it should be the same weight as the regular. Apparently the battery is a little bit smaller for the new 12 Pro Max versus the last 11 Pro Max. So apparently only on US models there is this little thing that gives you 5G. Okay, so it's a very US specific connection that we use, and it gives you 5G everywhere you go. So this is the 5G ultra wideband. This is gonna be the most informative iPhone unboxing I've ever had. Does she need to be plugged in? Oh, okay, she's turning on. So just turning on to look at the screen. So this is it. I'm not gonna set it up because it is my friend's, but I will go through the setup process with my own phone once I get it. But I'm so excited to have shown you the iPhone Pro Max. This is in comparison to the 11 Pro and the 12 Pro Max. As you can see, there's a big difference. It's so much bigger. With all new 12 Pros, there's this little black dot right here. So the little black dot is the LiDAR. So the LiDAR is a light sensor, and it also helps with augmented reality. So anyways, this is the new iPhone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm excited to next unbox the iPhone 12 Pro with you guys. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye guys.